my lovely souls, it's Priya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna do readings for your July 26. So we are going to see your overall energy, about your challenges, guidance, and what should you be aware about your surroundings and everything. Today I am going to use a Celtic Cross spread. So I'm very excited about it because it's my one of my favorite spread. Okay, so let's see. Take a deep breath and exhale. Okay. Before that, it's a general tarot reading. So take what resonates with you and let you leave the rest. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's happening with me today. So let's see. So overall energy is King of Cups. Okay. Peace and love and emotions. Your energy is for July is King of Cups. Okay, so the wheel, what crossing you is Seven of Pentacles. Okay, Ten of Wands, Queen of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands. Okay, I'm not taking reversal. Okay, guys. So Page of Pentacles. Let's see, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Temperance, and possible outcome is Two of Pentacles. Okay, guys, so your energy is 10 of wheel. You want to change something, or you are waiting for uh, something to change. Okay, it's about a 7 of Pentacles. What crossing you is, I think it's about money related, um, I guess. So, what's the basis is 10 of Wands. Lots of lots of stress on your shoulder. But right now, unload it, okay? You have traveled a lot, you have come down. Now is the time to unload the stuff and uh, make yourself free. What is the burden you are going through, or you are taking the burdens for unnecessary burdens? Okay, in your past is a Seven of Wands. Yeah, it's a good thing ignoring the stuffs if people are uh, talking about you behind your back, or they are criticizing your decisions, or overall about you. So in the past you were ignoring about that, and you are meditating, you are focusing on yourself, you are ignoring that negative thoughts, and this is a good sign, by the way. So it's in the past. I think your energy is uh, good, okay, for July. uh, about awareness, Queen of Wands. Okay, so I think you need to just let go, embrace that fire energy. Okay, um, celebrate your passion, your fire, your enthusiasm about life. Okay, guys. So be aware about there is a happiness also there. You are gonna enjoy the life also. So please go and have fun, and be passionate about your work and about your life. Okay, in near future is Page of Pentacles. So I'm seeing, not seeing, but I think you are figuring out about um, money problem or investments or your financial things, I guess. And it's a good thing. Okay, because I think there will be some, expect some mails, messages, uh, opportunities, uh, if you are seeking jobs or opening businesses. but July is overall for you figuring out things. Okay, because it's a page symbolizes the uh, messages, new possibilities, figuring out the things, learning new stuff, about curiosity. Okay, so you are curious about the finances, about your job, about businesses. So July is for you. So that's a great. In your strength, Eight of Pentacles. So guys, you do have skills. Trust in your skills and your passion and your confidence. Okay, and use those skills or those things to use those things for your growth. Okay, that's your strength, guys. And you are very confident and you are business minded. So if you are gonna do that, um, do it. Okay, so let's see the environment influencing you. Seven of Cups. Okay, so there are many people telling you something, some different things. Maybe your mind is also uh, thinking about different choices, so you are confused about what to choose. Okay, so those are the influencing your decisions. What should I do, about what should I choose? Okay, related about finances, maybe it's about job or business. Okay, it's work related, maybe investments or regarding that. Okay, so in your hopes and fears and dreams, it's a Temperance. So you are hoping for balance. Okay, you are hoping for alchemies. You are hoping for mixture of, I think you are confused about two things, two jobs or two works, two businesses. Okay, two choices, and you want to do both of them, and you want to mix those things, and you want to balance those things. Okay, in your life, but I guess the fear is for you to do that, because you don't know the outcome, you don't know the certainty, how it's gonna go. Are you capable of doing that, or you are gonna ignore one thing for another thing and it will mess up? So I think it's the fear about that. And I guess what people say, I think that's also the major thing about that. Right now, till now, you have achieved um, ignoring those negative comments or those people. Okay, that's great. And possible outcome for all this situation is Two of Pentacles. It's if you keep up this energy, okay, because you want to change the stuff, ten of the wheel. Okay, about finances, about yourself, about your health. Okay, about your enjoyment, about your passion. Okay, you want to unload the stress regarding that. Okay, you are curious about some stuff, and you are thinking about new stuff, new job, new businesses, and making it balancing stuff in your life. So Two of Pentacles represents the balancing. You are gonna do that if you keep this energy about that I'll do it. Okay, so that's it for July, guys. Hope this reading resonates with you, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you next time.